Hey, Black Butterfly Expat is the name of this channel. I'm Andrea Maria. I just wanted to share a few things with you who some of you will be coming down to visit, coming to some of the hotels here and everything like that, especially those of you who are coming from the United States. Let me tell you a few things that may happen that you don't you can complain if you want to, but it's a different culture here. Things are different here, and it's not going to be exactly what you expect just because you're in a hotel and you're an American here and you think it's supposed to be this way for you special or something like that, yeah, whatever. So, anyways, stuff like simple things that it might be simple to you, but it's a whole nother, like, it's a real true story behind it. Ice. Sometimes you might get a hotel. Yeah, you might pay $250 a night and y'all don't have ice. Ice is very rare here. I'm sorry, it's rare. They get the ice made. Like water is rare here. I'm so sorry to you. But you may have to go get you a bag of ice in a chest or something and make it work. A lot of the rooms don't have refrigerators. Oh my God, I'm seeing some of like the most biggest complaints. Like, oh my God, you're not gonna get any small towels. There are no small towels in none of the hotels and none of the motels. It's a culture thing. I don't even know if they use them or not. Bring your own. Y'all be complaining about stuff that like if you just like peep out things and learn the culture and see like and notice, shake that American shit and leave that on the other side of the border. You're in a different country. Not I don't care what you pay. I don't care what it is in your pocket. I don't care how big your head is. Leave that there and have a good time, but also learn something new about the culture and what you're around and peep out the obvious, and then you'll see like, oh, that's, you know what I'm saying? It's not that people being rude or not catering to you. Like some of these things they absolutely positively don't have. What you want them to do? Ice don't grow on trees over here. Okay, so if you get a room at the Rosarita Beach Hotel, probably not the best place for older people to get a room or something like that. It's going to probably be loud around there. It's on the beach where a lot of people are. Right now it's like the big time high season for party people to come and visit. So, you know what I'm saying? Maybe not be recommended for you to get anything right there along the beach, and maybe find you a quiet spot somewhere a little bit along off the beach. You know what I'm saying? So that way it'll cater to what it is that you like. Just peep out everything around y'all a little bit more, and then you'll see like, oh, okay. And it'll work out better for you. I just feel like sometimes you have a tendency, Americans, and I can talk about y'all because I'm an American too, just have a tendency to complain about things that you don't really have to complain about. So hot water, y'all, that's promise you, hot water is like, it's like a rare gem thing. Like, so sometimes you may come out here and you may not have like a really like long, you ain't gonna be to take that American shower. I can't tell you the last time I took a freaking American shower. I can't wait to get back to take a freaking 30-minute shower. They don't be doing that here. So you don't even really gotta complain about it. Get your ass in that shower, do what you gotta do, and get up out of there. You luckily you got a whole shower. Half of us out here be taking bucket showers. What you know about that? You don't know about that life until you really have been somewhere and traveled and stuff like that. And these are just tips, and it's coming from my heart. It's coming from love and out of my heart. You know what I'm saying? So I know I'm a little ratchet with it, but I'm just saying this will make your trip a whole lot much better. Avoid those little things right there, and I think just kind of like already knowing that these things, learning from my channel, it'll kind of make you a little bit more like, oh, okay, all right, cool. This is something to be already expected. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, like right now, we dealing with the lights is out. What y'all want us to do? Gonna beat up the people and stuff like that? Like we can't do that. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, and we out here like with no lights, but we alright though. Sure, peace out.
I did want to mention right quick, so I'm not trying to be mean. I'm an American. It's just like some things you can avoid complaining about by learning that, oh man, this is a culture thing, and actually enjoy yourself, enjoy your time. And also the people around you that you've come along with can enjoy you also. It just makes the trip a whole lot better. There's just little things like this that is just different here. Also, like ordering food, going certain places, going to the grocery store, yo, you gonna have to order in kilos. Like, yeah, it feels a little weird at first. Definitely felt a little weird to me ordering some hamburger meat in kilos, but it's a culture thing. So yeah, just learn all these different things, learn some of the road signs so that way you don't get caught up. When the police stop you, it's no, sure, Jesus Christ, be nice, okay? And ooh, Jesus speaks some English. Just be calm, pull that translate out, understand everything, understand. Just keep a cool, calm, collective attitude. Everything will be all right. If you need any more information from me, y'all can go ahead and answer me on my Instagram, email, whatever little particular mode to help you out. Yeah, hit me on my email, Andrea Maria Gotti Girl 2020 at gmail.com. I'll put it in the description. Also, IG, hit me in the messenger there. And we'll go from there. If you have any specific questions, so that way I won't be like trying to just like, I keep it broad in my videos. But if you have anything specifically that you want to know about traveling to Tijuana, Rosarita, hit me up there. I'm highly approachable, you know what I'm saying? I don't bite or whatever. You see me in the streets, holla at your girl. I see y'all in the next video.